After trying many recipes, I finally discovered the ultimate recipe to the best choco lava cake you'll ever have eaten yet. So firstly, preheat your oven at the maximum temperature possible for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you are not using an oven, you can use a vessel or a pressure cooker as I am using. You can pour some salt, place a metallic stand, and onto the stand you can place a plate and you can cover it up, preheat for 15 to 20 minutes. Take 50 grams of milk chocolate. Here I am using dairy milk chocolate. You can take any milk chocolate which is available. And onto a double boiler, you can melt the chocolate. In the mixture, add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Here I am using Amul butter. Now take 1/4 cup of milk. Add a teaspoon of vinegar into it and stir it well. Place this mixture aside. Now we are going to add all the dry ingredients. Here I am using a sieve to sieve all the dry ingredients well. Sieving helps to avoid any lumps in the batter. Now add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Sieve it well. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar. Here I am using powdered sugar. Then add half tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sieve it very well. Now add the milk mixture which we have kept aside. Now we'll add the chocolate and the butter mixture which we have prepared. Now combine everything very well. It's time to reveal my secret ingredient, and the secret ingredient is coffee. Yeah, coffee. In 1 tablespoon of hot water, add 1/3 teaspoon of coffee. Mix it well and add in the mixture. Now we will prepare some molds. So if you already have some molds, you can go ahead and use them. But here I am using some aluminium folds which are made like this. If you already have some molds, what you can do is use aluminium foil on it so it can be taken out very easily. Make sure to properly grease your molds with butter. Greasing will help you to take out the cake very easily. Now pour the batter into your molds. Don't go beyond 3/4 of the mold. In vessel it took me exactly 11 minutes and in oven it took me exactly 8 minutes. Your results can differ by 1 or 2 minutes. To check if your cake is ready or not, you can see the center of the cake should be a little undercooked, as you can see here. There you have it guys, the perfect choco lava cake you'll ever have eaten yet. Thanks for watching, do subscribe, enjoy your cake.
It ain't my fault.